Hey guys, I am gate guarding and it's been raining all night long. There's Black Betty. Bam bam. Yeah, I can't say it without saying that. Singing it. Anyway, got a river running through the front of my little shack here. While it's not raining, I'm going to go outside and show you a little of what I'm dealing with this morning. So I've got pallets with used mud screens on top. They won't let me have the pallets unless I have the screens on them because of safety, you know, trip hazard and all that. So my river comes from up there, comes down here. There's my light tower. And this morning it was way deep. So I have to park on the road because the mud is so soft. So they moved my shack up, and now my porta potty's farther away. And right here, there is mud. So I can't get to my porta potty without sinking in the mud. So I gotta pee. I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay, that spot's hard. That spot's hard. Oh my gosh, I might make it after all. Okay, that's a little softer. Oh, look at that. Yes, I'm doing a video of my excitement over being able to get to the porta potty. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it off here. Dang it, lost the door. I'm gonna cut it off here because, you know, you don't need to see me go pee. Yeah, so ciao babies. Okay, these are the pipeline guys. And I think they're just playing now. See, he's just spinning his tires. He's kind of swaying a little bit. Yeah, this landowner's going to come by and see this right here, and it's not going to be happy. So, this is all part of gate garden. They're laying this pipe to come to my rig, or the hole they drilled, and they'll connect them all with the pipes. And then over there, you can't really see it, but the pipe goes on down that way to a refinery type place. So yeah, this is it. A day in the life. Oh dang it, I forgot to turn the notifications off again. I'll get there. So we've had like weeks of rain, and today is supposed to be partly cloudy and then sunshiny the next several days. So hopefully all this will dry out. Anyway, this is my rig. It's a Pioneer rig. Or Pioneer well, I guess. And the rig is a H&P. And I'm parked on the lease road because the ground is way too soft and I don't want to get stuck. This is where I usually park, right here. Light tower. And I'm sitting there 12 hours a day, 7 days a week. So if you want a gate guard, you can email Maria Lopez. She's our HR girl, and I'll put her email down here. And if you tell her that I referred you when you email and ask what she has open, then after 30 days of you being employed, we both get a $250 bonus. I get the referral bonus, you get the sign-on bonus. But that's once you hit the 30 days. Now, you got to pass a drug test. And I don't believe weed is legal here in Texas. So clean and drug-free. And then the criminal background. And I think it's 5 years, but I wouldn't swear to it. You'd have to ask Maria. So it's contract labor, so they don't take taxes out, which kind of sucks because I'm not the best at saving money. I tend to get it and spend it. Just something I will probably forever have to work on. Anyway, this is it. Oh, by the way, I did tell you already I got my truck back. $3,300 later. That's it. Exciting 12-hour days. I think I've checked in 2 trucks today, and then I've sat and watched these pipeline guys play in the mud. Okay, so anyway, ciao, baby. There's another one going in the mud. This is that's the one that was stuck earlier, so this is the 3rd time he's come around to do this little trek right here. I guess they're making them a new road.